Sometimes we need to take a moment and think about how we spend our day. What does our daily routine look like? Have you ever struggled to organize your daily tasks and manage your time effectively? Routine.co is designed to make your day more organized by bringing your tasks and schedule together. Manage your time with Routine. Keep your tasks and schedule organized in one place. A complete guide to Routine.co. First, open up your browser, type in Routine.co, and search for it. Click on the first link to open the website. Once you're on the main homepage, to get started, click the Login button at the top right corner, select Sign in with Google, and choose your preferred account to sign in. Once you're in your dashboard, you can quickly add new tasks under your agenda, such as typing in call, client, or post Instagram content. As you complete your tasks throughout the day, simply check them off to automatically move them into your completed list and keep your workspace clean. Now, let's connect your calendar. So on the right side of your dashboard, under the Calendar section, click on Google Calendar. Simply toggle the switch on the right to enable the sync. Once that toggle turns red, your Google Calendar is fully connected, and how creating a task directly in Google Calendar syncs with Routine. Switch over to your Google Calendar tab and click on the Create button in the top left corner. Then select Task. Give your task a title: Call Client. Set the scheduled time like 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Click Save. Once the task is saved, switch back over to your Routine tab. You'll see that the Call Client task has automatically synced and appears directly under your daily agenda. In the Organization section of your Settings menu, click on the Plan tab to view your current subscription details and manage your plan. Here, you can review the feature tiers for free, personal, and professional options. You can also toggle between monthly and yearly billing to see available discounts, like the Professional Plan at $10 per annually, and the Personal Plan at $5 per annually. Whenever you're ready to upgrade or switch plans, simply select the button under your preferred option. Here, you can review your subscription details before confirming the update. You can see the yearly price, the amount due today, and even add a promotion code if you have one. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm. And that wraps up our Routine.co tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get started.